बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is female teenage aged patient, complaint of lower abdominal pain, more on the right side and right flank region. Here we are now going to perform the pelvic scan. We can see that this is the uterus, which is normal looking, and this is the left ovary, which has smaller cyst within the ovary. And if we move toward the right side, this is the right ovary. If we see, obviously this ovary is bulky, and if you measure it, this is almost 59 into 26 millimeter, and this is the follicle. And if we closely observe, this is the left ovary, which is having normal size. What is the cause of this bulky ovary? We can appreciate that stroma is in abundance amount than usual. If we put the color, we can't appreciate the blood flow within this ovary. So, what is the cause of such bulky ovary in the female teenage patient? Here we can see that this is the vascular pedicle of the right ovary, and it has whirlpool appearance. On real imaging, you can appreciate the whirling of the vascular pedicles, which is supplying the right ovary. We can appreciate the whirlpool turning of the vascular pedicles. So it is likely the cause left ovary becomes bulky, and due to this whirlpool appearance of the vascular pedicle, so likely it is the case of ovarian torsion, which has complicated to increase size of the ovary. And why this vascular pedicle has whirlpool appearance and is turning? If we go close to the ovary, we can appreciate this cystic cyst, which is large enough that may cause the torsion of the right ovary and twisting of the vascular pedicle. Now I have changed the probe from convex to linear high frequency probe, Here we can clearly observe the twisting or whirlpool appearance of the vascular pedicle supplying the right ovary. This is the ovary, right ovary, bulky ovary, and it is the twisting of vascular pedicle. So this is the case of right ovarian torsion secondary to the ovarian cyst large enough to cause the twisting of the twisting of the vascular pedicle supplying the right ovary. Thank you very much.